Welcome to today's video, everybody. We are now at Dakar Airport in a drift session, a drift practice, and Matt is already on the track, shredding with the compact. Today we are going to travel to Jula to visit our friend Kevin and do some shredding in this weekend with his E92 and also with our cars.
Turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Give it to me like.
Words about the car. This is the first time ever I am drifting. The touring, the suspension, all the things which moves the car sideways are perfect. Exactly the copy of the compact which debuted on Trackwood, so I expected it to be good. The guys were kind enough here to connect with my ECU, and we figured out a few problems, a few sensors which I need to change to improve the power of the car, but still, it's freaking amazing and I love it. These four cars were the heroes of today. The first car, Kevin's car, revving the car, he lost some power. Pitu had some water issues and heating issues and cooling issues, and Matt, his clutch blew up. And a touring, it still works. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels. And hopefully we will come back soon to this place and shred it again.
Yeah.